guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Maryelin, and as I promised on my Instagram to those who voted, I went ahead and I filmed a Valentine's Day look. Instead of studying for my test that I have tomorrow, I was like, you know what, let me film because I don't have a video for tomorrow. So I went ahead and filmed this Valentine's Day look, inspired look, I guess. I decided to bring out the bangs too, maybe for one last time. I've already grown them out, literally my hair already grew, so they're not that short, and I don't think I'm gonna cut them again. I'm just gonna let my hair grow. This video is gonna be a voiceover, I'm gonna be, talking over as I do my make. You guys are gonna know what I'm talking about when the video starts. Just a quick little PSA, public service announcement. Public service announcement. Valentine's Day is about love, but it's not just about your significant other. It could be towards your friends, towards your family, and honestly the most important one of all is for yourself. So you know what, Valentine's Day, if you're not doing anything, if you're not going out with anyone, treat yourself. Go out, eat junk food, go to the movies. Honestly, I'm probably gonna go to the movies to watch 50 Shades. Don't worry about what anyone else is doing. Honestly, that's how I would get depressed on Valentine's Day, because I would see everybody with their booze and I'm like, but honestly, focus on yourself. Make sure to tell your family you love them, make sure to tell your friends you love them, and make sure to love yourself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so I started with the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in chocolate. Yeah, my brows always take me a very long time to do. That was me picking a white hair. Then I went ahead and set my brows with the Benefit Brow something. Yeah. And now I'm priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape. And also lip singing. I forgot what song, but yeah. And now I'm setting my eyes with the Airspun Loose Powder. And then I'm gonna take the Aphrodite eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna start with the with the shade Flirt, which is a good transition color, and I'm putting that right beneath my brows. Then I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Love Letter, and I'm gonna place it right underneath of our transition shade from the first eyeshadow palette that we used. And yeah, we're just gonna blend that, kind of curve it, because we're gonna be making a cut crease today. Then I'm gonna mix the shades Red Ochre and Venetian Red, and we're gonna further deepen up that crease. And yeah, we're gonna, top off the excess. And now we're gonna cut the crease with the Tarte Shape Tape. Mine was getting a little bit messy, so I had to switch brushes. I got a very thin brush. I bought it at Michael's. It's not even a makeup brush, but it did the job. But yeah, we cut the crease, make sure it's sharp, make sure it's looking good. And then we're gonna set over that concealer with the Airspun Loose Powder. So now for the fun part, we're gonna put some glitter on our eyes. I'm taking the NYX glitter glue on the same little brush that I used to cut the crease. Obviously I cleaned it, and I'm placing that right where I cut the crease, right where the line is, and I'm taking it about halfway through the crease, and then I'm putting the glitter on top of it. I did not use makeup glitter. I literally bought mine at Michael's, so you don't want to do what I did. I don't know if it was safe for my eye, but yeah. Now I'm placing it underneath my eyebrow, so that it would give a little pop. I just thought it would look nice. Now for the face, we're gonna go ahead and prime our skin. I used the Maybelline Baby Skin on my T-zone, my nose, and my chin. And then I used the Maybelline Master Prime on mostly the outer parts of my face. And then my camera hates me, but I was trying to show you guys that I did my liner and my lashes off of camera. And then we moved on to foundation. I ran out of my Maybelline Fit Me, which I'm really happy about. Now I just have another bottle to get through. But yeah, I'm just rubbing the matte and poreless Fit Me foundation all over my skin with an Artiste brush. Well, a dupe. Now we're concealing our face. Oh, I think I did an accidental heart on my forehead. But yeah, we're gonna conceal under our eyes. Guys, it was so hard to do with lashes on. Yeah, bags. Then we're setting our face with the Airspun Loose Powder. And to contour and bronze, I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It's one of my favorite bronzers. It's not too harsh and it's not too subtle. Yeah, running down the nose. And wow, I'm using blush. I'm a whole new person. Yeah, this is a Valentine's Day look, so I wanted my face to look very pinkish, almost like I got a tan. So yeah, for the lower lash line, we're gonna jump back into the shade Flirt. And this is me struggling to keep my eyes open with those lashes. And then we're gonna take the shade Lust and run that over Flirt. And then we're gonna highlight. Of course, I did this unintentionally. The highlight had a heart and I thought it was so convenient. But yeah, we're gonna highlight using the shade The Sweetest Bling. We're gonna take that on our cheekbones, then our cupid's bow, then the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose. And then we're gonna try to highlight our inner corner, and we're gonna fail at it because we suck at makeup. Then we're gonna do little faux freckles using some liquid eyeliners. I used the NYX Vivid Brights liners in the purple and the pink shade, and then I used a L'Oreal white liner, and then I ended up switching to a NYX one because it was very not good. So yeah, I just got creeped the F out and I just went ahead and finished off the look with the Baby Lips by Maybelline. Oh my god guys, I'm so depressed. I just found out Drizzy Drake went to my old high school. That's not fair. I graduated last year. Why couldn't he go last year? Class of 2017 got Drake Bell. And now this year they have Drizzy Drake. Who are they gonna get for next year? Freaking Madonna? Britney Spears? Hello? Legends? Beyonce? Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really relaxing filming without having to talk about a lot of things. Even though I enjoy talking in front of the camera, I just felt like I could do things like taking my time and like there was no rush. And I honestly think I filmed way faster than I would have if I would have been talking. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful Valentine's Day, whether you're spending it with someone or whether you're spending it alone. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.